front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, choose Open. Now, thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!